Shakliar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Bedai Kemi yang ketenat yelekai ke Sorkar Jela ubah Shakliar Wardri ulah Kyntait ya ke Jingkynnoh bakaladan ke Jingsam di kibam kiba pendap leer ya ke kepo jong ketama sa Megalia Games arajar at pusau kabla penong hatura hakasi ba ar jong kedor bar kata kakat kendai trik urempang arajar at pusau kaladan ke Jingkynnoh na kaliang UMLA ke VPP nanong krem konstituensi ubah Ardent mele basayoman Hakabaya day bat kibam kidi balayo di kinoy lekai bat kinong wan yeshim benta haka Megalia Games arajar at pusau hatura Ubak Shakliar ulaong banamar ke jingwan ke Presiden Kari ke Draupadi Murmu kumta kihap banbut ki kendon bakan amdan kanu ke Jingkynnoh nolor kata utai menteri ulaong bakaladan ke Jingpentip shikinong yelekai bikidi ban bam kedang menstep swaban let shikijing yelekai baper bat kumta hakapor mensngi lasam tang di kijing bam ki bamalumala bat laai bam jamit no kamkloi kumban penkan mau kaladon ke jing sapriang hikilat social media halor ke jing bam biang ka bam ka di bat keru kompanya ya ke Megalia Games arajar at pusau ha ka bala UI bikinong ileka bikinong wani shimta kilayo ban bam slam bat kijing bam ki balayo kidei ki bapendap le area ka kepo uba Ardent ulapan pau da ka baong ba Sngew Lyngngoh lada ka don ke Jingkynnoh na kaliang ka Sorkar halor ka tekaman namar kumbala tip ka Sorkar ka jumlien ban Kyntait iki Jingkynnoh halor kani ka benta na kaliang uba Shakliar ulaong baka klem dan kanu ke Jingkynnoh okin balki klem shimru iki sinjam ban pinshitam yanu halor ke Jingpenya ya ka bam haka Megalia Games arajar at pusau
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 1. No, sir. Light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebrations of the Games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest.
Yes. Sir, I would indeed be shocked if the reply is yes, because I know that the government will always be in a denial mode. So, sir, my question here is whether the government, the sport department supplied junk foods to the athletes during the Megalia Games 2024 held at Tura, and the reply is no. So, sir, it is further replied that light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebration of the Games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest. So, sir, do you mean that the athletes and the manager cannot differentiate between the snacks served during the visit of the President and the food that they are supposed to get?
Not clear. So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Due to the visit of the Honorable President of India to grace the occasion as a chief guest, there were certain protocols that we had to follow. So hence, in the morning we've asked all the athletes to have a heavy breakfast, and before leaving all the venues, we've asked them to serve brunch as well, sir. So due to the visit of the Honorable President, so certain protocols we had to follow. That is the main reason why, sir, during the day we only served snacks, light snacks, but then an early dinner was served as well, sir.
Sir, immediately after the news spread that athletes were served with junk foods, there has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because, sir, I think not everyone has spread. Maybe 1 or 2 person who's gotten that photo has spread the photo. So there was no question of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir.
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe 1 or 2%, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state. So, like I said, we decided to serve light snacks was only due, because of the visit of the Honorable President of India, sir.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center